Have you ever reached the end of a really busy day and then wondered, I've worked hard today, but have I really moved my business forward? Morning everyone, it's really good to be back on YouTube. If you're new here, my name's Garry Paul, and if you're looking to build a smarter reselling business, then you've come to the right place. Well, it's been over a year since I posted anything on YouTube, and I thought it's only right that I should give you a catch up and explain what's been happening. A lot has changed over the year for me. I used to pick up quite a lot of different items, anything from electronics to kitchen appliances to shoes. For years I thought I could make a real profit out of doing this, but when I look back on it, all I was doing was buying and selling. I wasn't building a business at all. So end of last year, I made a big decision and changed everything in what I'm doing on eBay. So I decided to specialize or niche down on clothing. The more I learned about clothing, the more I realized there was a lot more to learn. And instead of knowing a little bit about everything, I wanted to concentrate and learn a lot about one thing. There's been a couple of really big personal changes as well. I'm still a full-time carer for my wife, but in December, I actually reached retirement age. So I'm officially now a pensioner. So maybe I'm an old codger, who knows? But what I have noticed as I've got older is that my time is more precious to me than it's ever been before. I can't simply work longer hours. I have to make better use of the hours that I've actually got. And I know many of you watching this video will be in the same situation. Now, whether it's you've got young children, you may be working a full-time job and trying to build a reselling business that you hopefully will be able to go into full-time in the future, or maybe you're caring for elderly parents, or maybe there's just not enough hours in the day. And this is one of the reasons why I decided to come back to YouTube. Over the past year, I've been chopping away at anything that was slowing my business down. Some things I stopped doing, other things I changed and improved on. And I discovered one thing that completely changed the way I now work. And honestly, at first I didn't think it was for me. You know, I've been reselling on and off for over 20 years now, and I've always done things the traditional way. But my son, encouraged me to give it a try. And once I understood how to use it properly, it completely changed the way I look at my business. This channel is still going to be about reselling, about charity shops and car boot hauls, and about listing on Vinted and eBay. And I'm also going to show the mistakes that I make as we go along, but I'll also show you the successes I have. But we're also going to have a look at how modern tools like ChatGPT can help us work smarter and not harder. In the next video, I'm going to tell you a story that stayed with me for a number of years, and it's about two lumberjacks. Now, you may know the story, but strange as it may sound, I honestly believe that it explains why some resellers just stay busy, while others keep moving their business forward. And once you've heard it, I'm sure you'll look at your business in a completely different way. So until next time, keep listening, keep learning, and keep building.